Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to crochet this daisy flower back charm. It is super easy to crochet. For the materials, we will be using these 3 acrylic yarns in white, green and yellow color. And we'll use 3 mm crochet hook, needle, stitch marker, fiber fill and scissors. We'll start with the magic circle and we are making a center part of the flower which will be in the yellow color. So we'll make a magic circle and then chain 1. So in the same magic circle we will be making 6 single crochet which will be called as a row 1. So we'll count 6 single crochet and then we will slip stitch at the end. First we'll pull the end of the magic circle and create one loop and then we'll do the single stitch. This is like the last stitch that you have to take and then yarn over and pull through the single stitch. In round 2 we will do chain 1 at the start and after that we will be doing around 6 increase single crochet. So that means 2 single crochet in each stitch and there will be total of 12 single crochet in round 2. After completing the round 2, we will be doing slip stitch at the end. Now we'll start with the round 3. First we'll do the chain 1. After that we'll do a single crochet in the first stitch and in the second stitch we will be doing a increase. So there will be 2 single crochet in the second stitch and in the next stitch we will do a single crochet. Then the pattern will be like single crochet and then increase, single crochet, then increase. So there will be total around 18 single crochet we will be doing in the round 3. And at the last we will be doing slip stitch. Now we will make the round 4. So in this round 4 we will do chain 1. After that we will do 2 single crochet in each stitch and then 1 increase. Then again 2 single crochet and 1 increase. So there will be around 24 single crochet in round 4. So before that we will add a marker. And at the end we'll remove the marker and do the slip stitch at the end. In the round 5 we'll do a chain 1. After doing that we have to just follow single crochet in each stitch. So there will be around 24 single crochet in the round 5. And after completing the round 5, we will make a slip stitch and we'll complete the round. Now we'll pull the yarn and cut it. Now we have to hide the remaining yarn with the help of needle. Now you have to create another circle but in the green color. We'll start making petals with the help of this white color yarn. Before that, we'll just keep both the circle together. So first of all, we'll insert the needle from 4 loops, 2 from green and 2 from yellow. After that, we'll make chain 1 and then start our petals. For that, we'll just hide the remaining yarn and then we'll start by making 3 chain. After that, we will make treble crochet. For that, we will yarn over twice and we will insert in the same stitch. Again we are making treble crochet, but now we will inserting the yarn in the next stitch. So you will have 4 loops on the hook and we will pull through 2, pull through 2, like that we'll complete. After that we'll make 3 chains and we will insert the hook in the same stitch and we will make slip stitch. Now we will make 1 slip stitch in the next stitch and we will follow the same pattern for the remaining 11 petals. This is how you can make all the petals. Before completing petals, we will add some stuffing. So we'll add this fiber and we'll insert it and then we'll complete the remaining 2 petals. This is how we can complete it. After that, we'll just pull the yarn and cut the yarn and we'll just hide the remaining yarn with the help of needle. This is how we have made this daisy flower. Now we'll start making leaves. For this we will use this green color yarn and we'll make a knot and we'll start making chains. So there will be total 16 chains that we will be making. We will start working from the second chain. First we will start with the single crochet. In the next stitch we will be doing half double crochet. For this we will yarn over, pull through the next stitch and we will pull through all the 3 loops. After that, in the next stitch onwards, we will be doing double crochet 3 times. Now we'll do half double crochet, then at the last we'll do a single crochet, and then we'll come to the center of the leaf. So we will do a slip stitch. Now we will do the remaining leaf by following the same pattern. Like start with the single crochet, then we'll do the half double crochet, and then we will do 3 double crochet, and again we'll do half double crochet, and in the last we will do single crochet. After completing, we'll turn our entire work and we will follow the same pattern that we have done it before. We'll start with a single crochet, then half double crochet, then 3 double crochet, then again a half double crochet, then single crochet, then a slip stitch. Likewise, we have to follow and make these leaves. Now we'll cut the yarn and we'll hide this remaining yarn with the help of needle. Now we'll start making stem. For this we have to make a string made up of 45 chains. For that we have to make a knot. Then we'll start making chains. We'll try to leave yarn in both the ends. So this will be our last part. So we have our flower, leaves and stem. So we will be attaching them together. So first of all we'll start with the stem. Now I'll tie them together. We'll cut the yarn and try to hide it inside with the help of hook. Now we'll find the 2 slip stitches at the center of the sleeve and we'll insert the stem from those slip stitches. We'll try to give the finishing by burning it. A super cute daisy back charm which will brighten up your day. I hope you enjoyed making this with me. Thank you for watching this video and we'll see you in the next video.